Magandang hapon, gabi, umaga o tanghali po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. There you go. Speaking, eksakto. New Wave Monday ngayon sa Eagle FM 95.5 kay DJ Jem 5 to 8 p.m. tuwing Lunes po. Ayan. Speaking of New Wave, meron po akong parody. Matagal ko na po itong compose Actually, impromptu to. Kumbaga, ad-lib ko lang last year. Ayan. To the tune of Our House ng Madness. Check this out. Our nose in the middle of our face. Our nose in the middle of our face. Our nose. New Wave Monday. Every Monday, of course, on Eagle FM 95.5 with DJ Jem. Sa mga New Wavers natin dyan, ito ang araw natin. Happy New Wave to all of you!